Welcome to Da Nang. Welcome to another beautiful walking tour through Da Nang. We are at the moment currently at the Chao Thi Vin Teh Street. Pavement report, mangelhaft. It's very hard to walk here, to be honest. But we're gonna try out to walk now on the proper street here. We're gonna walk to the right. Are you hungry?
Yes.
Me too. And thirsty too. I'm talking too much.
Maybe I'm more thirsty than hungry,
Yeah.
to be honest. Because I found out it's just when you don't drink enough, you're getting hungry.
Oh, okay. Then we're gonna go into a mini mart here somewhere and buy some to drink. There should be a Vin Mart over there. So this is the street where you can actually go all the way to the beach. Or if you turn around, you can actually go all the way to the airport. Okay? We already made a video one time walking from the airport to the beach. And this is also where we crossed the street here.
We did it below an hour.
Below an hour. Including one guy explaining us about Indian rituals.
Languages.
Yeah. I don't know. I don't like the taste and the smell of construction anymore. I walk by and it's like your mouth is full of dust. Oh. Then you can buy durian here. Be careful, don't bring it to your hotel. They will fine you. Rightfully so. It can stink a lot, especially in the hotel. That's the Vin Mart.
Okay.
Let's go to Vin Mart. Vin Mart is also a very good place to buy on a very good price. It's like this. I think it's not convenience store prices. It's just like supermarket prices. Even though it's very interesting in Germany, if you go to a supermarket, it would be always cheaper than buying at the small store in the Tante Emma Laden. But here it's not that. People actually buy more in local markets, which is also better if you buy like vegetables and things like that. There you can buy some fake hokas and own running shoes. I don't know if it's fake, to be honest, but I assume with the prices. But yeah, let's go and have a drink. Chinsu. Whew.
What kind of drink?
Ah, you got it here. Okay.
Here's the Aquarius, if you want.
No sugar?
No sugar.
Sin sugar? Sin azúcar.
Sin azúcar.
Azúcar, yeah. Oh, look at this, Marcus. What?
Look at this, there's also the
Oh,
Coca-Cola.
yeah.
I want to have one too.
I want to have, but I don't want to carry. Check this out. They also have, for all my Thailand friends, they have the original Red Bull here.
Give me your Aquarius.
Aquarius sin azúcar.
So I just buy one.
Yeah.
Okay. No, maybe.
What is this? You can also buy coffee here. It's a Wiesel Poop coffee. It's like $10 for this 17.6 ounces. This is made for Americans, because who uses ounces else? I don't even know how much grams it is. Hello? How much grams are you? Here, it's 250 grams. I think Vietnam also uses grams and kilograms. I think the whole world, besides of America. Or? Let me know in the comments, dear Aussies. Do you use ounces or do you use kilograms? And my English friends. All right. Perfect. Now I got a drink for free. Beautiful.
Open it.
And he helping me opening it.
Yeah.
Haha, thank you.
I thought it would be difficult.
And here is also very interesting. If you look at the barbecue chicken, you can walk all the way to the back. And this is where the pork belly banh mi will be. Okay? If you see the barbecue chicken, you walk all the way in the back, and there it will be the pork belly banh mi. Now it's very famous. It's not a hidden gem anymore. And here's the Estrella Hotel. I did a review on that too. I think it was pretty nice. You got a pho place here. Very interesting street as well, all the way in the back there. I think hotels don't wash their own sheets. I think they gave it to a company where they have bigger devices to wash, bigger washing machines. Look at this. Pickleball. Pickleball where?
I know. I saw it. Maybe I have to buy mine.
Oh. That's an interesting coffee shop here. The energy coffee that changes lives. All right. I like the marketing.
But nobody wants to change the lights. It's empty.
It's empty. We should try it out one day.
It's a legend, huh? You see that?
And if you're wondering where it is, it's right next to the Shangri-La. So last time we saw the Four Seasons, now we see Shangri-La, apartment and homestays, not the hotel. It's almost the same, huh? But here you can live in the nice fancy buildings.
Like just based on the names,
Yep,
the brands.
it's green. But yeah, I really want to try it out one day. It's a legendary coffee brand, Trung Nguyen. I mean, it is one of the biggest in oh, the #1 coffee. Okay, I mean it is one of the biggest in Vietnam, if not, right? So it is huge. Okay, it's green. There's also a famous salt coffee place, originated from Hue.
Nhat Hanh is also very famous
Yep,
for
very stylish.
pretty women.
And yeah, a lot of ladies make photos here and drink their milk tea, including my wife too. An Phada. What is that? It's a
Before it was Vivitel.
yeah. So the Vivitel gold changed to An Phada. And it feels like it's an apartment. Look at this, they're drying stuff there. Maybe it is closed and it's people. No, it's not. I see luggage there. An Phada. And there's the rice mount.
That was a very good hotel.
Yeah, I know why you like it.
Yeah. You have to look into it.
Yeah, if you walk in, you will understand. And we have pizza company here. Then this is a barbecue place. It's similar to Yen or the other ones, the Japanese style, all you can eat, barbecue on the table, buffet.
Well, look at this car. Did you ever heard about
Omoda.
Omoda?
There's also not from here, 92. Where's 92? I don't know where it is. It's not the big cities. Maybe it's Haiphong. Or? No. I think it has to go very south. Please, all my Vietnamese viewers, comment below now if you know that. But maybe it is like my theory. You start in the north with the lower numbers, like 1, 10, 15, and then in the middle 43, and in the south 70. You know? So I could imagine, alone from that, it starts lower numbers up and then goes down with the higher numbers. But I have no idea. Let me know. Maybe it is also, no, I have no idea. Let me know in the comments, please, if there's a specific technique here. Oh, pharmacy as well. There's 24 hours big pharmacy chain. And the all seasons, I still have to try it out. But I think it's like, I don't know how much it is for the buffet. I think it's a lobster buffet if I'm not wrong. But I'm not a seafood guy, you know? It's like, I don't like to go to these places. I usually only eat rice or something there. I was, but not anymore. Beautiful S-Class from Hanoi here. What's very interesting is this hotel has a poker room.
Look at this. The CIA agent is coming.
Yeah. Royal Lotus Da Nang, they have poker rooms, remember? Or a casino.
Oh yeah. It's
Yeah.
true.
It's crazy everywhere. And the CIA is also here. Hi. How you doing? He's incognito, but he acts like a surfer from California. We all know he's from the CIA. I'm just kidding. That's a joke. For the record, that's a joke. He's a very nice guy. But he has a nice mustache, right?
But he looks like from these movies.
Yes,
it's,
exactly.
Serious,
He,
like
he,
in
he
the
should.
70s, 80s.
I don't know why he's not in Hollywood. He would be a great actor like that. He looks like one of.
His appearance is amazing.
Yeah. Now we are in the Le Quang Dao street. Le Quang Dao, named after a king. And yeah, a very important street here. Hello, street doggo. What? Ah. Woo. Ah. Yep. Whew. Oh wow. They completely demolished this place.
I think they're rebuilding.
Yeah. That's interesting. Maybe they're making now AC room and toilets there.
But today it's a really good day. It's 26 degrees
Yeah.
at 1 o'clock.
Here's the thing. It's not guaranteed that January is like that. I gotta talk with some Da Nang locals, but I highly doubt this is normal. So whenever you watch this video and think like, damn, January? Pack my bags. And then you come next year and it's gonna be like every January, rain. Yeah, be careful guys. It's not normal. Be aware, it could rain at any time. But at the moment, this is a streak, a sunshine streak.
This is the best rainy season I ever had.
Yep.
And this is second.
And it's also busy, very busy. I feel like the Thailand thing did a huge boost to Da Nang tourism. So in Thailand, they deported a lot of people and they refused people to enter because they stayed too long in the country. And lots of them are here now. I can really, first of all, I know, I talked to many, and it really makes sense. Many people who did not have a proper visa in Thailand, they got sent away. So now they have to be out of Thailand for a long time to enter again or get the visa exemption. So I'm not sure how this will end up with Da Nang. It's going to be very busy here for the future. Oh, my man! My man! Ah! Where are your hairs?
I cut it off.
Oh no! Who did that to you? You had the most beautiful hair, man.
I had to do it, bro.
Look
They
at
were
this
calling me
hairline. How old are you?
40.
40. And the hairline of a god. Nice to see you, Ray. I absolutely love him. This is the beautiful thing about Da Nang. Hypothetically, you don't need phone numbers. You can just walk around and you see your people. If I want to meet many people, I just stay in a busy spot, yeah?
Isn't it like in the old days?
Yes,
Back in the
exactly.
days when no mobiles.
Yeah. Back then, when you just drive around with a bicycle and go to your friend and say, hey, to the mom of your friend, hey, is Marcus here? And yeah, this is crazy. It's just like back then. Very easy life here. If you walk around here, that's why it's one side, it's good to stay here in the neighborhood. The other side, it's loud. There are many morons driving around with loud motorbikes. And yeah, it's the dust is bad, but the convenience though, So everyone has to really know, okay, what do you really want to have in your time in Da Nang? Do you want to have it quiet or do you want to have it busy? Nothing is perfect. The quiet is not perfect and the busy is not perfect. But maybe for you it's the right mix. That's why I always tell people when you come here the first time, try out different places. Hello. Try out different places and see for yourself how you like it around. See how you like it and then book your accommodation. For just a normal trip, I would, if you come here for a week, go to the beachfront or go to one of the resorts very close by. M Hotel, Vokoma Bell. You don't need it perfectly fine in the walking distance to here because this is more like a day-to-day thing here. But stay close to the beach and come to the proper times. If you want to stay here longer, then look around. Get some hotels in different areas, walk around like I do and get the feeling of it. And even though I always give you perfect updates here right on the day or maximum 1 week old, maybe now this few more videos will be a little bit delayed, but you always have to come here because this could be 6 weeks from now, and now after 6 weeks this building will be teared down and it's a huge construction site, and I am not a fortune teller and I cannot see in the future, but when this is done I know it's going to be nice. It looks so cool. And I'm like, this entrance, this high ceiling here. I mean, it is amazing. It's annoying for everyone, this building, because it's so long and it takes a lot of time to get finished. So it's noise pollution off the roof, but it's gonna be fantastic. I feel it. All right, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Check this video here out and see you in the next one.